Allie, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I really like doing skincare routine videos, and you guys seem to really like them as well. And my skincare routine is constantly changing, so I figured I would do another one since it has changed quite a bit since my last one. I will have all my skincare routine videos listed down below in case you guys are interested in seeing them. This particular skincare routine is going to be a cruelty-free minimalist skincare routine. I do want to mention though, one of the brands that I'm using, Fresh, is not cruelty-free. I really wish it was because it's absolutely one of my favorite brands, but it is not cruelty-free. I am, however, including it in this video because it is one of the products that I use religiously, so please don't come at me in the comments for saying this is a cruelty-free video when there is a product in there that's not cruelty-free. All the other products I mentioned are cruelty-free though, and as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you guys. If you guys would like me to continue doing these updated skincare routines as my skincare routine changes, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I can definitely do them. My skin is always changing. Some days my skin is dry, some days my skin is oily. Lately in the winter it has been very dry because of the weather. However, in the summer my skin is definitely oily. And as we all know, I do have acne prone skin, but for the most part my skin is almost completely cleared up. And now that I've gone on for far too long, let's just get into the video. To cleanse my face, I use the Michael Todd Sonicare Petite, and mine is just in the tangerine color, I believe. And for a cleanser, I use the Michael Todd Charcoal Detox Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. For this, you want to start off by shaking the bottle well and wetting your face with warm water. Then go ahead and apply the cleanser to your hands or skincare brush like I am doing and gently massage it into your skin. After I cleanse my face, I go in with a toner, and currently I have been loving the Fresh Rose Deep Hydrating Facial Toner. And what's really cool about this product is that it actually has real rose petals inside of it. And I just applied this all over my face using a cotton round. Lastly, I like to moisturize, and for this I use the First Aid Barriere Cream, which I have talked about a ton here on my channel. And then throughout the day, if I notice that my face is still dry, I go ahead and apply the My Payot Brume Eclat, which is a moisturizing facial mist. I absolutely love facial mists because they're easy to just re-moisturize your face throughout the day without having to redo your makeup or anything like that. And then a few days a week, I also like to go in with an exfoliator. Lately, I have been using the My Clarins Clear Out Blackhead Expert. On the very end, you can screw off the cap and it has an exfoliating stick. And for this, you just take it and rub it all over your face. Then with the same product, you can go in and unscrew the entire cap and apply the mask, and I just put it on my nose, my T-zone, and then a little bit on my chin. So that is my current skincare routine. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to continue doing these updated skincare routines. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd subscribe and become part of our family. Be sure to hit the bell as well so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. I do not have a set schedule, and hitting the bell will just give you a quick notification that I have uploaded a new video. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!